If you want cinematic drone footage but you don't want to carry a big drone setup, the DJI... Let's start with the biggest reason people care, the camera. A lot of small drones look great in perfect daylight, but the moment lighting gets tricky, sunset, shade, cloudy days, the footage can fall apart. The Mini 5 Pro is positioned as a mini drone that still delivers pro-level image quality thanks to the 1-inch CMOS sensor and a wide aperture that helps in low light. That's the difference between footage that looks nice and footage that looks wow. And because it's still in that compact category, it's the kind of drone you can actually carry everywhere, which means you'll fly it more often, get more clips, and improve faster. Now let's talk about something that's underrated until it saves your drone: obstacle sensing. What stands out here is the focus on omnidirectional obstacle sensing with a strong emphasis on night performance. If you're flying near trees, poles, buildings, or you're tracking yourself while walking or riding, that extra awareness matters a lot. For beginners, this is huge because it reduces the fear factor. You can focus on getting the shot instead of stressing every second about crashing. So overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is built for creators who want portable, safe, and cinematic, with strong image quality and content-friendly shooting options like vertical video. If you want, comment what you shoot: travel, cars, real estate, hiking, or just fun, and I'll tell you which bundle makes the most sense for your use. And if this video helped, drop a like, it genuinely supports the channel, and subscribe for more drone gear and shooting tips.